Alright, we've made it to the last module talking about the asset store. Now, the asset store is pretty exciting, I must say. I mean, one of the great benefits of Unity is actually the community behind it. I mean, the company's great, the product's great, but there's just a large number of people who utilize Unity, who create things for it, who are in forums and on Stack Overflow and on Reddit. I mean, there's just a massive community around the Unity 3D product. Now, the asset store is where the community will either sell assets or give away assets. So if you're a developer, you can find some fantastic 3D models, 2D textures, even some shaders on the asset store that you can utilize. If you are an artist, then you can find a lot of scripts that are available, or even use things like Playmaker. So I'm going to show you how to open up the asset store inside of Unity itself. You simply go up here to Window, and you can just go down here to hit Asset Store. There's also Control 9. You can hit Control 9 on your keyboard as well. And what this does is it loads up a browser inside of Unity. So this is basically the asset store, logs you in, so it knows who you are. And you could come in here and say, well, I just want to find, I need to find a 3D character. I need a robot. And right here with robots, we have Space Robot Kyle from Unity themselves for free. So we have sci-fi enemies, right? Vehicles free from Pop-Up Asylum, right? So again, things that people have made for free that you can use in your games. Also, you could go and say, well, I'll want to spend $25 and I can grab this robot here. Now it says this is model as part of Roblox Pack, so we can click on that. And what that will do is actually bring up a external web browser. So another way you can access the store. And this is, you see, it's $100, and there's multiple packs in here. Okay. When you're looking at, again, right now this just brought up the web browser, which is simply assetstore.unity3d.com. Okay. So if you were just go to Unity 3D and just click on the asset store, that's how we can get there from the browser. But you can see when it came up, it has the exact same information that we had. Okay, so if you want, you can just go straight to the web browser, or you can use it with inside of Unity.